Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later and that you have a current backup. This protects against accidental data loss. Once done, locate any app on the home screen and press and hold until icons jiggle. This puts the device into edit mode. Make sure to pause until the contextual menu disappears, otherwise you'll trigger other actions. Now you're ready to interact with folders and move apps toward the app library. Next, drag the app toward the right edge of the home screen to reveal the app library if it isn't visible yet. This helps you see where the app is stored. If an app shows a minus icon while jiggle mode is active, tap it and choose Delete App to remove it fully. This frees storage. If the app doesn't show a delete option on home screens, open the app library, press and hold the app icon there, then select Delete App to finish removal. To complete the process, tap Done or an empty area of the screen to exit edit mode and lock in your changes. This ensures the home screen layout updates. If a deleted app still appears in the app library or search, restart your iPhone to refresh indexes. If problems continue, go to Settings, General Reset Home Screen Layout to restore defaults, then repeat deletion steps. This resolves lingering icons without affecting app data backups or iCloud stored content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.